Hello Philippines! Hello world! I'm here. We're here. Actually, we're here at Sunriser Village. Shout out! Yay! We're going to Madam's house.
Going to Malaysia.
To get our supplies.
Motor, madumi. Palaan ako sa mga pangalan.
Hi guys! This house is for Ma'am Renee's house, the owner of our accommodation.
Assalamualaikum.
Yeah, waalaikumsalam.
Ana Mentas.
I don't know.
Perfect.
Hey people. Hey Wise.
Hi.
Hi Wise.
Hello.
Hi girls. The Wise girl. What we call that? Wise girl.
Because wise bitches.
Maramang kugon. Oy, maramang kugbuta nag-ano. Do you think I am blind? I think I'm not blind.
Hindi mo magpaki.
Naan mi diri asa unsa na ta nga street? Milky Way Street.
Ay,
Ano naman di sila, uy? Dara mga virgin. Hey mga virgin!
Uy, wang hi! Sige, good. Uy! Ano kaya ito mga motor, okay? Naputay nga na, di mo ito mga igong kita niyo.
Oh, so refreshing.
Hi, loves.
Hi mga wise girl. Asa mo? Taga-asa mo? Hey, taga-asa mo?
Surigao. Sorry.
Oy, tut 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 tut. 3 minutes more. Okay, bye-bye.